Hello guys, so the problem of the day is rightmost different bit. For example, अगर हमारे पास दो इंटीजर दिया हुआ है 11 and 9, so 11 का बाइनरी निकालना है, that is 1011, and 9 का बाइनरी is 1001. अब इसमें से राइट मोस्ट डिफरेंट बिट का पोजीशन हमको निकाल के देना है. यहाँ पे ये दोनों सेम है, सो ये नहीं होगा. फिर यहाँ पे आएंगे, ये दोनों डिफरेंट है. राइट मोस्ट डिफरेंट बिट इज दिस, सो 2 इज द पोजीशन. So here we can see 2 is the output. So the concept is very easy. Let's get into the code. So we will take a variable where we will store the XOR value of both the integers. So let us take a result res equals to m XOR n. So it will be storing the XOR value. That means if both the integers are same, it will give 0, else it will give 1. So for the first case, this is 1011, 1001. The rightmost digits both are same, so it will give 0. Then we have 1 and 0, both are different, so 1. 0, 0, both are same, 0. And lastly 1, 1, so 0. This will be the XOR value of both the integers. Then we have to return -1 if both the values, integer values, are same. So how we will do that? If res equals to 0. I hope you understand this part. -1 we will return, because if this result becomes 0, that means all the digits, binary digits, are same. That is why it's 0. So we will, in that case only, we will return -1. And if it is not, then we will run a loop till res is not equals to 0. In the loop, we will do the AND operation between the rightmost digit of the result of this XOR operation and 1. So if we do the AND operation with 0 and 1, so it will give 0. So let us write that part. If res and 1 gives 1, then we have got our position, right? So let us take an integer pos equals to, let us start with 1. So if it is 1, I will explain you this part. If it is 1, then we will return this position, return the pos. And if it is not, then we will right shift a bit. How we will do that? Res right shift operator with the value of 1. And also we will have to increase the position. So pos will increase by 1. So this is all about the code, and for this part I will explain this part again. So this part will do the AND operation between 1 and the rightmost digit of result. So what will be the outcome for first time? If we do AND operation with 0, we will get 0. So if this condition doesn't get satisfied, we will do a right shift of a result, so it will become 0, 0, 0 and 1. And now position will increase by 1, so it will become 2. And here we will check res is not equals to 0. That is true. Res is not equals to 0. Now we will check the if condition, whether the AND operation between 1 and the rightmost digit of result, which is 1, uh, gives 1 or not. So 1 and 1 gives 1. So this condition gets satisfied. Actually 1 and 1 gives 1. So this condition gets satisfied. We got the position 2, and this position will be returned. So if the condition doesn't get satisfied for any of the digit here, uh, so it will return -1. Let's compile and run. Yeah, it's giving the right output. Let's submit. So problem solved successfully. That is how we will do this program. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.